In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view responses in Google Forms. If you've recently sent out a survey or a questionnaire using Google Forms and are now looking to analyze the feedback, you're in the right place. By following along, you'll be able to access and review all responses to your form with just a few clicks. First, let's head over to Google Forms. If you've already created your form and you've collected some responses, this process will help you dive into the insights hidden within that data. For demonstration purposes, I have a sample test that has already been created. Open the Google Forms homepage and find the form you're interested in. This could be from your recent projects or something you are exploring for fun. Once you locate your form, click on it to open it up. Now that you have your form open, direct your attention to the top of the screen and look for the Responses tab. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a few tabs at the top. Make sure to click on the one labeled Responses. This section is designed specifically to display all the feedback you've received. Once you click on Responses, you'll notice the layout changes, showing you different forms of the data you've collected. In this section, there are a few ways to digest the information presented. You might see summary graphs, individual responses, and even options to manage what you do with the responses. If you're handling a massive number of entries, Google Forms neatly organizes the information for easier navigation and understanding. You can view each response one by one, getting detailed insights from each participant, or you could stick to the summary view to get a broader overview of all responses at once, which is particularly helpful in identifying trends and getting quick data insights. Spend some time here exploring the data by toggling between individual responses and the summary view. This function offers you a wholesome picture from standalone responses to overarching trends. Also, look out for options that may allow you to export this data to a Google Sheet for more detailed analysis. Exporting responses can be especially useful if you want to perform more advanced data manipulation or create customized charts and graphs. And there you have it. You've learned how to access and review responses in Google Forms. With these insights at your fingertips, you're all set to take action and make informed decisions based on the feedback you received. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you're interested in more tips